Hello, everybody, coming to you with the week ending April 17th of 2026. And yay, I don't sound like a broken record any longer, at least for this last week. The S&P 500 had the best week in over a year, surging past 7,000 points as a new record high. We've now recovered everything that we lost since March 30th lows. And the biggest catalyst was, the Iranians announcing that the Strait of Hormuz was open again for all those tankers to just start sailing freely. And that sent oil prices, sharply lower and decreased that volatility. However, over the weekend, Iran announced they closed the Strait of again until the U.S. goes through and removes all of the blockades on their ports. And I can say that I don't think that's going to happen anytime real soon unless the rest of the negotiation goes through and happens. So we'll probably see some volatility still over the next few days. There's also a few other things that we're going through and watching, such as the producer prices rose 4% year to year from March, largely driven by all of this energy cost. It's costing a lot more to get things across the water, to manufacture, what have you. So those prices are going to go through and basically be passed upon to the consumers. So that could also drive prices up, once again. There's also this unresolved fight over who's going to be going through and leading the Federal Reserve after May 15th. And that uncertainty could also create some additional market noise as we head into those weeks ahead of us to see what's going on there. So overall, though, last week's bounce back of the market was remarkable. I mean, it was just crazy as far as how fast it happened. So especially given, all this turmoil that we've had over the last 6 weeks, it was kind of nice to see a little bit of a break and have some little bit different news to report to you guys. But, as always, we're always watching everything and what's going on, what's transpiring, and how it's going to play out. But if you have any concerns, don't ever hesitate. Give us a call. We're always here. Until I see you again next week, be safe.